Sulat lang natin dito yung point kung saan sila nag-meet. So, dito ang negative 2 at 3. Ayan. So, dito sila nag-meet. Ayan yung point of ano nila, intersection. And then negative 1 is to 1. So, let's just follow the intersection. Ayan, dito siya. And then 0, yung x natin, and 1 yung y. So, nandito. And then we have 1 is to 3. Where's the 3? Okay, here. And then we have 2 is to 5. Ayan. So, we're just connect it. So, dapat straight line to, ah. Ayan. And then put an arrow. Put arrows there. Kasi it's extended both sides. Ganun ang line. Okay, yan yung graph natin. So, sa domain and range, we're going to use set builder form. No? Pinag-aralan nyo to nung grade 7 kayo. Set builder form. What's the use of domain and range? So, dun kasi natin malalaman kung hanggang saan yung pwede natin i-substitute sa x at pwede natin i-substitute sa y. No? Hanapin natin yung pwedeng maging domain at pwedeng maging range using set builder form. Okay. So, review muna tayo sa part na to. Okay. Anong pinagkaiba ng linear, quadratic, at cubic equations? Anyone? Sino pang nakakaalala? Anong pinagkaiba ng linear, quadratic, and cubic? What's the difference between those three? Anyone? Okay. Kung di ka sure, what's your thought about this? So, malalaman natin itong tatlong to sa ating exponents. Yes, Aliyah?
The linear po, ang highest form po niya is 1,
Okay.
yung quadratic is 2, and yung cubic po is 3.
Okay, very good. So, dito sa linear, if we saw x lang x yung highest exponent niya. Kasi meron tong 'di ba, invisible one. So, since meron siyang 1 doon, and if siya yung highest na exponent na meron yung isang equation, it's linear. If you saw a square in one of the terms dun sa tabi ng variable, meaning it's quadratic. And kapag naman cubic, makita kayong ganyan. So, dito sa example number 1 natin, since x lang yung meron tayo, no? Yan, no? X lang yung meron tayo. So, meaning, our equation in example number 1 is linear. So, kapag linear po, ang ating graph is just a straight line. It's either diagonally right, diagonally left, pwedeng horizontal, and also vertical. No? Basta, it's a straight line. And the domain for those type of equation is this. Since we're referring to sets, we're going to use brackets. And using set builder form, if you can still remember your grade 7 lessons, we're using this, no? X such that x is an element of real number. Sulat ko ha, x such that x is an element. Eto, ang tawag dito ay yung parang letter E, no? Since letter E siya, element, and yung isa R siya, of x such that x is an element of a real number. Ayan. Meaning, any number or any real number ay pwedeng i-substitute sa x natin. Ba't ganon, no? Kapag linear kasi daw, ganon daw. As you can see here, our x-axis is extended both directions. 'Di ba? It's extended both directions. How about yung ating graph? It's also extended both directions. So meaning parehas sila. Eh ang x, papunta siya sa all real numbers. Lahat ng numbers kasama dun sa x-axis. So, if katulad lang siya ng x-axis, meaning all real numbers din yung masasakop ng graph natin. Titignan mo kung yung graph natin is meron siyang katapat niya yung graph. If katapat niya yung graph, ibig sabihin, element siya ng real number, no? So, merong mga case akong ibibigay mamaya na hindi lahat ng real number kasama. Okay. Sa linear, basta linear, it's all real numbers po. Lahat ng real numbers kasama. Kasi, it's extended both directions. Yun yung graph niya. How about quadratic? Ang graph ng quadratic is a parabola, pa-letter U. It's either upward yung open niya, or pwede ring downward, pwede ring open to the right, pwede ring open to the left. It depends on the equation. No, that's the parabola, and that's the graph of a quadratic function or equation. No? And how about the cubic? The cubic graph is something like this. Para siyang letter S. Ganyan. No? Okay, so that's the difference between linear, quadratic, and cubic. So, sa range naman tayo. So, in range, we're going to look for the y-axis. No? Yung y-axis natin is extended also from both sides. And our graph is also extended to both sides, 'di ba? Kung itatapat-tapat natin 'yan sa y-axis natin, may katapat siya. So meaning, ang y din, ang y such that y naman is an element of real number. No, both real number yung ano nila. Pag ano lang yan, pag linear equation. It's only applicable to linear equations that domain and range. So in number 2, hindi na siya linear. Okay, let's go to example number 2. So in example number 2, we have y is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 2. Ayan. So first, parang kanina, we're going to make a table of values. Ayan. Now, let's solve. So, let's substitute negative 2 to our x's. Ayan. So, let's solve. Negative 2 square is negative 2 times negative 2. It's positive 4. And then negative 2 times negative 2, it's also positive 4. And then, let's just bring down the 2. So, our value of y here is 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2, 10. So, we have 10. Next, let's just change the variable with -1 naman. So let's have -1. So -1 square, -1 times -1, +1, -2 times -1, +2. And then let's just bring down 2. So we have 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5. So we have 5. And then let's have the 0 naman. So for 0, we're just going to substitute 0 to our axis, and then 0 times 0 is 0. -2 times 0 is also 0. Plus 2, so 0 minus 0 plus 2 is 2. And then next is 1. Nakakasunod pa ba? Anyone? Click the thumbs up nga. How about Aliyah? Can you follow? Okay, very good. So, ayan. Pinapalitan ko na lang dito kasi para di na tayo magre-write. Next is +1 naman. So, 1 times 1 is 1 pa rin. And then -2 times 1. Negative times positive is negative. So, we have -2 plus 2. Ayan. So, -2 plus 2 is 0. So, 1 na lang yung matitira. So, we have 1. And then, next, we have +2 naman. So, 2 squared is 2 times 2, 4. Tapos, -2 times 2, -4 plus 2. So, 4 minus 4 is 0. Then, 2 na lang natira. Okay, let's add some more. Ayan. So, magdagdag pa tayo. 3 and then 4. Ayan. So, based doon, di ba ang ano natin is parabola? Di ba? Yung graph natin. Ibig sabihin, ang y natin ay pwede maulit ng 2 beses. Ayan. Di ba? So, look at our table of values. Observe nyo siya. Observe nyo siya. 10, 5, 2, 1, 2. What do you think is the next number doon sa 2? Kapag parabola, may pattern kasi. Yes, Chelsea?
1 po.
Are you sure? It's parabola, ha? Okay, yung parabola natin, ito-drawing ko, ha? So, ang parabola natin, o, di ba 10 to? Kumare, yan yung point ng 10. -2 is to 10. Tapos, bababa siya. Ayun, bumaba siya. Naging 5, di ba? Tapos, naging 2. Tapos, naging 1. Tapos, naging 2 ulit. Okay, what's next kaya? Papataas na yung mga numbers. 3, sabi ni John Cornelio. How about the others? Anong observation nyo? 2, sabi ni Jamisha. Meron ng 2, oh. Okay, may nakakuha. Si Sherilyn. No? So, it's 5. 'Di ba? It's parabola kasi. Kung ano yung nasa right, siya din yung nasa left. 'Di ba? Kasi parabola siya eh. Oh, babalik lang siya sa dati na y niya. Oh, what's next to 5? What's next? Okay. Nakangiti si Jamisha, alam niya na yung pattern. Okay. So, it's 10. No, okay. So, after that, we're just going to make a graph. I-graph na natin siya. Kasi sa graph natin makikita yung ano natin eh. Domain and range. So, kailangan may graph ka muna pag mag-identify ka ng domain at range. Ayan. So, we have, ano yung mga excess natin? -2 hanggang mm, +4. So, let's just, mark those. -2, -1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan. And sa y natin, meron tayong 1, 2. So, dito siguro yung 5 and then we have 10. Okay, let's plot the points. So, -2 is to 10. So, ang taas niya. Nandun siya sa 10. Ayan, dito siya. And then, 5 is to negative... Ay, hindi, baliktad. -1 is to 5. Ayan. So, nandito siya. Tapat ng 5. And 0, ito yung 0 natin, is to 2. So, it's in here. And then, we have 1 is to 1. So, nandito. What's next? 2 is to 2. Then 3 is to 5. And then 4 is to 10. Ayan. So, we're just going to draw the parabola. Pa-letter U dapat siya ha. It's letter U, not letter V. V is not a parabola. No. It's an absolute value. It's a different equation. So here, we have a parabola since it's a quadratic. Ayan. That's the parabola. So now we can identify the domain and the range of our equation. So for our domain, since ang ating x-axis ay both directions, ano na-observe nyo sa parabola? Both directions din ba? Both directions din ba yung yung parabola? Left to right din ba? Okay. It's left to right then. 'Di ba? Kasi it's both, eto, tutuloy pa to sa left. Gaganon pa siya. Uy, gaganon pa yan. So, lahat ng x na nandito, matatapatan niya. Okay? And dito naman, we have mag-extend pa yun pa right. Meaning, yung lahat nandito, matatamaan pa rin niya. So, meaning, kung lahat ng x is matatamaan, all real numbers na naman siya. So, parang yung kanina, x such that x is an element of real number pa rin. So, how about the range? Paki-observe nga. Observe the, graph. So, lahat ba ng y matatamaan or sakop ng graph? Lahat ng y. Tignan nyo yung graph. Look at the graph. Lahat ba ng y matatapatan yung graph? Matatapatan ba lahat ng graph? Ito lang yung graph natin. This one. Matatamaan ba lahat ng nasa y natin? Ito lahat ng y, ha? Matatamaan ba lahat ng Y? Anyone? What's your opinion? Raise your hand if you have if you want to answer. Lahat ba ng Y matatamaan? Okay, let's just call someone. May I call on Justin Nera? No po. Why? Why Justin? Why no? Oh, sige. How about Sherilyn? Yes or no?
Di ko po sure, sir, pero parang yes.
Matatamaan lahat ng Y?
I'm not sure.
Okay, not sure. So, how about Achilles? Matatamaan ba lahat ng Y?
Parang hindi po sir.
Why not?
I don't know if this is right po sir, but I think because the parabola is not aligned po.
Not align with the
Zero po.
zero. Okay, because it's not aligned with the zero. Sino may ibang opinion? How about Mohammed? Wala, Mohammed? Okay. Let's have Chelsea
Matatamaan po lahat.
ng Y.
Opo.
O bakit?
Kasi po yung graph po natin is parabola and which is dumadaan lang po sa y-axis.
Okay, dumadaan siya sa Y-axis, pero lahat ba ng Y pwede maging value?
Yes
Madadaanan
po.
niya lang. O, pero lahat ba ng Y value? Yes, Jamisha.
No, sir.
No.
Kasi yung yes po, kasi po yung sa baba, yung negative, wala naman po siyang um, magiging range.
Okay. So, that's what I'm looking for ni answer, no? Kasi it's open upward. Meaning, ang matatamaan lang niya is here, oh. Hanggang dito yung vertex niya, 'di ba? Ito yung pinakamababa niya, which is 1, 'di ba? Hanggang dito lang yung y na matatamaan. Y from here, from positive 1 pataas, 'di ba? And the negative y's hindi siya masasama. Tama? Hindi matatamaan yung mga negative numbers ng y. Ano ba yung pinakamababa? Tignan natin yung table of values natin. Ang pinakamababa na ay positive 1. Ito lang, part na to. Siya yung pinakamababa. So, if we're going to write the set builder form of this set, no? We have y such that y, ano to, greater than or less than 1? Greater than or less than 1? Yung graph natin, greater than 1 or less than 1? Yes, Sherilyn.
Greater po, sir.
Okay, greater
Greater
kasi
po.
mas mataas siya. Kasama ba si 1 sa graph? Okay, kasama siya. So, greater than or equal. Okay? Kapag kasama si 1, merong equal. No? Yan lang siya. Y such that y is greater than or equal to 1. Can you still follow po? Any question? Wala. So, I'm going to send this, a picture of our Microsoft Word para may i-review kayo for the exam next week. So, paki-open ang cameras and let's take a photo. Okay, at the count of 3, I'm going to take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you everyone for listening. You may now go to your next class. Goodbye.
Ingat po sir, salamat po.
Okay, goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you po, sir. Happy birthday po.